Yeah. So Governor Cuomo is calling for a more complete, more of the tracks of the subway system being one continuous weld, as is being done with most subway system of other countries. WebTech. R156. WebTech R156, made especially for the New York City subway system, is exhibiting what may be, and I can't say definitively, what may be the start of that request for containers. I've seen some of the line of the New York City subway system being welded in longer section. But what the governor calls for is more continuous weld of those miles and miles of track. And it makes for a smoother ride is what they say, or what is logical. Because when you have dips in place with the tracks, you know, you're on the track and suddenly it shifts or it dips. Yeah. That's caused by different sections of track. So what he's saying is that he wants the MTA workers to start making these replacement track more connected. And you see here this is about 5, 6, or even more car work train. And you see the track look to be, and that's a winch up there that would pull the tracks onto this combination of cars. The track, these tracks, these replacement tracks, you know, seem to be one continuous piece of steel. So whether or not this is an immediate, because that request for the MTA to start making continuous weld was made this week. So this probably is an immediate response to that request that only a governor could get, right? That's why he's the governor. Yeah. Yep, and these are continuous pieces of steel. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this might just be a response. It only makes sense. Not only do we modernize like you're gonna see in the R211, but also modernize in our track. And that's definitely a a smooth weld there, a precision weld. A weld no less, but a precision. And that's the first one I've seen. Maybe it's hidden under somewhere, but that's the first one. You can take a look and see how precise that weld is. Not a bubble in sight, you know. So that's been welded and grinded and tested. And like I said, maybe I should count the cars, right? Well, you can count. You can watch the video and count the cars. And those tracks that are on there, those 4 sets of track, are continuous, spanning across each car. See, the car is coupled there, but still going down, man. And you got a bunch of guys working on there. I don't want to go in there. But that's the last car right there where that guy just stepped in. Weekend train. So these cars are basically $10 old. So you see, modern paint, modern machining, good workmanship, quality material. You can make a train or any machine that lasts a long time. So this entire train is as long as a regular subway train, consisting of 10 cars. And this train consists of a flatbed of 8 cars and then 2 locomotives there. And I believe, yeah, the span deck, the Mantis span deck that hoisted the track, move it into the correct position when it reaches the bed, is at that end. So it's sitting outside the station itself, inside the tunnel. So this entire hookup here is being pulled by 2 web techs. And there might be another web tech or 2 more web techs in the tunnel itself. But yeah, this is the hookup that I think you might see more often now being replaced when track replacement is required. because the governor wants more continuous weld on the system.